I wanted to share with you my 2 April faves. The first one is Mint Bliss Energizing Lotion for feet and legs. It has a little mint in it. It smells amazing and it's very energizing at the end of the day. I am a person who loves a good foot rub. Anybody that knows me knows that. And thankfully, I'm married to someone that doesn't mind giving me a good foot rub. So this stuff is the bomb. Okay. The second thing is the gel Semi Shine lipstick. This one is Mauve Moment that I'm wearing right now. And it has silica spheres that give it great staying power. And then it also has optical diffusers, which as a photographer, I know means that it bounces the light around and gives things a softer appearance. And that's what it does for your lips. It also has sunflower oil and jojoba butter to make it feel nice and soft all day. So those are my 2 April faves.